Hello student, we start standard 5th chapter number 8 multiplication and division of fraction. Today we start and solve practice 8b. Find the product and write in simplest form. Okay, first question is 18 multiply 5 upon 6. आपको कल भी हमने रिवाइज किया था, ये वही मेथड है, सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन है ये भी. 8/1 इंटू 5/6. 6 1 ज़ा 6, 6 3 ज़ा 18. 3 इंटू 5 अपॉन 1 इंटू 1 then 15. Okay, answer is 15. Second question is 3 into 1 upon 3. 3 into 1 upon 3. 3 ones are 3. 1 into 1, 1 into 1. That answer is 1. 3 into 2 upon 5. 3 upon 1 into 2 upon 5. 3 इंटू 2 1 इंटू 5. यहाँ पे एक भी ऐसा नहीं है जो टेबल से कट सकता है, सारे प्राइम नंबर है. 6/5. इसको हम मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. 1:1/5. ओके. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज 10:1 is 10 इंटू 1:5/8. इसको पहले हम इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. 10 इंटू 1 इंटू 8 प्लस 5/8. 10 इंटू 8 प्लस 1 8 प्लस 5 13/8. ओके. 10/1. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. 13 5s are 65. 4. इसको मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. 4 divided by 65. 4 ones are 4. 2. 4 6 are 24. Is to 1. 16 is to 1/4. Answer 16 is to 1/4. Answer 1 is to 1/5. Okay. 10 multiply 1 is to 2/15. 10 multiply 1 into 15 plus 2/15. 10 into 15 plus 2 7/15. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 72. 2 into 70/3. 34/3. 3 divided by 34. 3 ones are 3 0. 3 ones are 3 1. Is 11 is 11 is to 1/3. Okay. 34/1 into 10/68. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 17 ones are 17, 17 2s are 34. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. Equal 5. Answer equal 5. 44/1 into 13/2 to 0. 22s are 44, 22 ones are 22 0. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. 13 into 1/5 is come 13/5. मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. 5 2s are 10. 3 2 is to 3/5. Answer 2 is to 3/5. Okay. Next is 75 upon 1 into 19 upon 100. Okay. 25 3s are 75, 2400. Okay. 3 into 19 upon 4. 57 upon 4. 4 divided by 57. 4 ones are 4. 1 7. 4 fours are 16. 1. 14 is to 1 upon 4. Okay. 12 into 7 upon 20. 12 into 1 into 7 upon 20. 2 6 are 12. 2 1s are 2, 0. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. 3 into 7 divided by 5. 21 is to 5. 5 4s are 20. 4 is to 1 upon 5. 18 into 4 upon 33. 3 6 are 18. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 6 into 4 divided by 11. 24 by 11. 11 2s are 22. 2. 2 is to 2 upon 11. Answer 2 is to 2 upon 11. Answer 4 is to 1 upon 5. 60 upon 1 into 11 upon 105. 15 4s are 16. 15 7s are 105. 4 into 11 upon 7. 44 upon 7. 7 is to 44. 7 6 are 42. 2. 6 is to 2 upon 7. 220 into 1 into 15 upon 66. 22 1s are 22. 3s are 66. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 50. 10 into 5 upon 1 is 50. Answer is 50. Okay. Here is complete your exercise. Please watch the video properly and complete your notebook. Thank you.